Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I'm at a customer's house, and behind me he called that the unit was making a very weird noise, and we got here today, and it's about a year old, but we had some thunderstorms here a few days ago, and it blew out the compressor, so we've got a bad compressor, have to replace it, get a new one under warranty, and everything will be okay. So once we do that, pick it up and all that good stuff, we'll have another happy customer, okay? So call us for our AC heating refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com, and also YouTube videos, and ask about our 10-year warranty on parts, 10-year warranty on labor, and 10-year financing also available, okay? Thanks guys, see you in the next video.